July 3, 2020. It's Friday, right? It's Friday. You guys know these people, right? The eyeballs. All right, we're at John Pat's place in Michigan. I don't know, Gowan, I think it is. And across the street here, he's got his family going on. And this is his property across the lake. So John, how far does your property go from here? Where is it? Okay, right there. So his property is from there to there. He's got access to the water here. Ed, say hi. John, say hi.
Hi. Oh, hi.
Hello. This is National Geographic Day. This is Maston Lake, John? Maston. Yeah, Lake Maston Lake. Yeah. And these guys are the owners of the property right here. So what's that doghouse for? Oh, okay, cool. Oh yeah, I remember you made that stand. So this is a pump right here, must for the. So how far does the water go? Up on a really high. Because I've been here one time where you couldn't go on that road over here. Next to you.
This is as high as it'll get. This lake don't flood.
Oh.
We drain into basically into Lake.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Our
So that's your paddle boat?
Yeah.
I like that pontoon.
That's what I fish off. My little paddle boat there. It's got 4 tubes on it.
So let's take a walk onto the dock.
Yeah. See, a lot of people in the winter they fish down at this end, and they fish way up there.
This is John's boat here, John and Pat's boat. They're telling me there's fish here. You did say there's fish here? You can catch fish? Okay, that's cool.
But will your pontoon get through into Musqueam?
Oh yeah.
You gotta go fast and lift the motor, don't you?
No, I just raised the
Hi,
motor.
Pat!
Yeah.
How are ya?
Yeah.
Don't even think about it.
115 horsepower?
Yeah.
Holy moly.
It used to be the biggest one on the lake.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Now a buddy of mine over there, he's got one with 150 horse.
Now, this stuff makes me seasick. So you can see the wheel right there. Is that air-filled rubber tire or
No.
plastic?
Just plastic.
Oh, that's cool. Huh.
This is a nice dock.
It's a very nice lake, people. Check it out. Oh, John, did you push her?
No.
I think I got it on record here. You can get sued for that.
Get in the water, Sophie. Get in the water now. Hurry up.
Boy, this is beautiful, John. But I cannot believe how many pontoon boats are on your lake.
Oh, I know.
There's like a million of them. But his lake is probably bigger than this one, right?
Yeah. Our lake is the second biggest.
So here's the view from across the pond. Oh man, I got seasick from this. That's a nice setup, Jan.
I know. This is beautiful.
How you doing, dude?
This is really nice. When you go through now, the Musqueam, it gets real shallow.
Yeah. It's about 1.5 foot. But
Ed,
if I raise,
fish. I see fish.
if I raise the motor,
Ed, we're coming here with a fishing pole.
I know.
We're gonna catch us some bluegill.
See where you get the fish is right straight over there.
Okay. Oh, really?
You get them in the spring. Oh, look at that thing floating out
it's a
there.
loon.
Oh, that's a loon?
That's a loon. Okay. Yep, it's gone.
Yeah, we got a loon. There used to be an eagle nest right over
Yeah.
there on Musqueam.
Yeah. Well, if you look over there, you see the great big pine tree there,
Uh-huh.
and you go to the left,
Uh-huh.
and then the next taller one there. That's where the eagle is. The nest is still there.
Okay.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's the Haaf residence on Maston Lake in the city of Gowan? Trufant. Okay, so any questions, give Mr. Edward Veltman here a call. He'll straighten it all out, and then any questions he can't answer, he'll forward to Jan Tenhoff. All right? Yeah. So if you got any questions for me, delete them.
We'll go for a ride?
Oh, well, okay, hang on. We're going for a ride?
Yeah, let's go for a ride.
So you're not going to make me sick, are you?
Ah, silly.
Yeah, well, I'm telling you,
I gotta
I
take
will get
these.
sick. Now, the best thing of this property is you can see a Trump sign. If you squint your eyes, you can see it over there. Okay, people?
Yeah, Trump sign. You got
So,
a Trump
John,
sign.
no crazy stuff. I'm dead serious. I'm not joking. Oh, my God. Yeah, this is beautiful.
Boy, that's a beautiful boat. Yeah.
It's crazy. Hey, Pat. He's drinking and driving. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. I was kidding. Ladies and gentlemen, I was kidding. There ain't no drinking going on here. I got my clear alcohol here. H2O. I don't drink. Boy, oh boy. All right, we're gonna. Oh wait. So John's getting this thing ready for. Oh, John, let's not use the. Yeah, here, let me give you a hand.
Oh, you gonna jump on that raft there?
Yeah. Okay. That's not funny, Pat. I can do it. I don't know if I'll live, but I can do it.
I want to see you ride on that.
I hear some music over there.
Oh, yeah.
Right here.
Casey and
Oh, what are you doing with that? Just throwing it on the dock? Okay.
Give me the ropes. I'll just walk this around.
So, like I said, it's July 3, 2020, and it's a Friday. And the reason why there are so many boats on the water and people here is because it's considered a holiday. A holiday.
Holiday.
A holy day. Oh, my hip, my hip. I'm shifting and favoring my knees. Ah. Oh, John almost fell. All right, jump in, Ed.
Yeah. Well, I got it disconnected.
Oh. He's got it disconnected.
I'll hold on till you get the motor down and start it up.
Okay, he's got to get the motor down and start it up.
Okay.
I'm going to have to sit up here because I'm a little nervous.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of fish in here, people.
Yeah, push it back in the car.
We're making headway.
Trying to hop under the water.
Thank you.
Like what?
Oh, my. Oh, yeah.
I'll stay in the front till we get out. Now, did you
Hey,
have
see
this
another-
boat last year?
No.
I was gonna say, I see your boat in your garage.
Yeah, this is brand new.
I was gonna say it. This
So
is
what
like-
boat were you calling on? You were making a phone call on some boat.
Yeah, on this one.
Oh.
Here's Ryan and Megan.
Who is that?
Ryan and Megan, some friends of theirs.
Oh,
They live on the other side of the lake.
okay. It's a beautiful day, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
What?
Oh, yes! Hey, who's steering the boat here? Who's steering the boat? Yes! Was that the golfing thing?
He got my my rangefinder.
Oh, how crazy is that?
Well, I left it on the.
Holy mackerel, guys.
Here, for all over.
Whoa, he got it.
Thanks a lot,
Woohoo!
guys. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
He brought it back into the thing and brought it back to us. We're putting the boat in the car.
I
And
s-
said, "Ooh, yeah, I know who that is."
I said to the wife, I
He was
said,
lucked
I
out.
You'll
left
never
it
get it
there.
back.
Oh,
You'll
that, I
never
thought
get it
never get it back.
Well,
Yeah.
Good thing you were showing us it, or we wouldn't have known it.
Yeah, right. Thanks, guys.
Jeez, you got
Oh,
lucky, Jack.
nice.
Sweet. Oh my gosh, guys, this is way too hot.
Take care of that. Oh my word. Alright, this thing can go.
Man, it's got some power. 150 horses? Yeah. That's 70. See, these pontoon boats aren't like they used to be built, you know? Oh, my hair is getting all messed up, people. Oh yeah, the wind's really kind of messing the property yet. Holy moly. So what are you doing right now? You gonna go do that thing? Oh really? Oh really? So we're going into another lake. Is that called another lake or not?
Yeah,
That's Muscatine Lake. So from right here, it looks like something really small, but it's probably really big, eh?
No, it's probably a third of the size
Oh,
of
okay.
the mast.
Okay. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was,
But
quite
now
honestly.
Muscatine, didn't they,
What happened to my
they
water?
dredged a bunch up there to the north of that lake?
Hey, what happened to my
no,
water? Did you lose my
But
water?
oh, right there.
Oh.
No, I had a tall thing. I think it was in that thing.
No, I don't think so.
Oh no, there it is. Kirtland.
They're talking about it.
Kirtland.
They're talking about doing it.
Okay, I seen a big old crane.
Ah.
They were digging.
Oh yeah, you
Oh,
and I
really?
went there with that Walt guy.
Yeah.
You showed me that,
They
this
had a
lake.
dump truck that was hauling it up there.
Oh.
But this was
This is a
flat.
leisurely ride into
Well,
Maston
on this,
Lake.
here, every year, twice a year, we have a channel dig, and then we dig this channel out a little bit,
Oh yeah.
so we can get through here.
Hey, you ever see that guy down the creek here?
Yeah,
He got a
Bill.
pontoon way
Yeah.
down there.
Yeah, and
way down.
he comes up through the
Uh-huh.
through the creek.
He goes back and forth and digs up all their weeds.
Yeah.
Oh, with a pontoon boat?
Yeah, there's a pontoon down this little creek.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's got a house way up on the hill. Or no, maybe that ain't the one.
Yeah.
I think it is.
No, it isn't up on the hill, but it's.
So,
yeah,
ladies
right
and
up
gentlemen,
there.
are we going to be able to make it through this little channel here, I wonder?
I hope so.
Yeah. See how clear this water is?
Oh, it
Got that
is.
narrow bottom, like
Blue
really,
lake.
Like
blue
Blue
lake.
Lake, yeah.
Don't do nothing stupid. Oh man, this is perfectly clear.
Surprised you could get through here with a pontoon. 'Cause,
Yeah,
Oh, look at
you
that
just
bird,
gotta
people. Look at that
bring
bird.
your motor up a little bit.
yeah.
Oh man, what kind of bird is that?
Red-winged blackbird, probably.
No. Look, it's totally different. I've never seen nothing like that.
A little bit.
Wow.
What's the red-winged blackbird?
No.
The bird.
Oh no. Oh man, look at this water, guys. This is incredible. There's fish like crazy. Bird. Oh man, this is getting really deep here, guys.
See, sometimes in the winter they catch fish over here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is a lot smaller than your lake, John. Way smaller.
Oh,
A lot
But-
smaller than a third.
this has got nice fishing.
Huh.
Yeah, and the eagle's nest is right over here.
Yeah.
There's the eagle's
Yeah, I think you pointed that out to me, Ed.
nest. Yeah.
13 minutes, not too. Oh, John,
Gals on that phone.
get. It records.
What?
Well,
We gotta be
keeps.
careful what we
Yeah.
say.
He said the S word 2 times now.
Holy shit.
Yeah, stop, John. Because this is going on YouTube.
So this property here is owned
Wow,
by
this is
a
really
guy
gorgeous,
named
guys.
Don Engler,
Don
who
Engler
is a cousin
to
to John Engler,
John Engler.
Oh yeah.
governor.
Governor! Hey, Governor! There's the governor of, what lake you got? Lincoln?
Lincoln.
I gotta take my car. I'm sorry, guys, but don't be looking at my goodies.
Or whatever.
Oi!
Michigan State.
Oh yeah. For a little while.
Big wheel there after
Yeah.
Dave Buck being governor. See, here's the creek then.
Where's that?
Right up there. That's a creek that we come up.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah, and you can see it. Yeah.
okay. Don't do nothing crazy, John.
When
Serious.
you get into August,
Uh-huh.
that thing will be full. You can't see.
Yeah.
Except if that guy's driving the pontoon.
Oh, really? No kidding.
Yeah. It's all over the
Yeah, this is gorgeous. This is just
I know.
awesome. You said there's fish here, John?
Oh,
All right, so where do you leave the key of this thing?
I leave it right in here.
Okay, Ed.
It never comes up. It never comes up.
Oh, that's crazy. That's dangerous.
Yeah, see there? That little creek there. Oh, the kids will go with it, and I've gone.
Wow,
through
look
it,
at
too.
this water, guys. It's
You
perfect.
don't
It's
wanna
like
go
spring
through
water.
the nipple.
No.
Flag up here.
Yeah.
Guys, I do see a decent sized bluegill in there.
Oh yeah, you'll see all kinds of bluegill out there. Well, this thing is
Ed, Ed,
nobody.
Ed,
Ed,
it's being taped. So I won't tape you.
go to the front. Stand up, Ed. Ed, go to the front.
Ed, you don't have to say it. Is that thing actually running? It's deathly quiet.
Yeah, that's 4 o'clock.
Oh man. Oh, mine is a 2-stroke.
What is this?
Careful. So
Where are you filming?
right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
What's Ed doing over there?
You smart aleck. I had no idea what you were doing. Oh no, don't, John, don't do that. No. Hey, look at these nice looking pads, these lily pads.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is beautiful. This is very nice, guys. I'll eat pike. You guys eat pike?
I eat pike if I catch it in Canada or if it's in the spring.
Why wouldn't you do it here?
Because at this time of year, the meat is very soft.
They get a little mushy.
Mushy.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You fry them up
That's
firm.
Yeah.
I know,
Bass
but-
are the same way in the spring. In
I
the
know.
springtime, they're okay,
Oh.
but in the summertime, they just get mushy.
Yeah.
Because I just fried a bass on YouTube. You guys got to see that. And it was delicious. It was delicious. It was very, very good. Ate the whole thing.
Yeah.
Bass?
Yes. It was a nice big one. All right, guys, we're going to shut this thing down. Was that a fun ride or what? Oh, let's not do something stupid now. So I get seasick.
I caught a 29-inch pike here, right off our dock.
Oh yeah.
Really?
My neighbor and his daughter, huge pike. And they come out here. And they were coming back. And I said, so Fred, how'd you guys do? They said, no, but a bunch of hammer handles.
Oh yeah.
And they just pulled past my dock. Bam, I got hit. Oh, sorry. I was just fishing for food. President, what you get the bottom? I said, no. So I think I got a big pike. He says, yeah, whatever. So he's just got a little trolling motor on his rowboat. And he's putzing by. And so I reeled it in. Sure as shit, man.
Oh yeah.
And I said, it's a pike. He goes, oh shit.
Oh, there he goes again. All right.
Well
So,
loaded.
guys, it was real. And plug your ears on parts of that, okay?
So-
See ya.
I really